GPT-4, the undisputed heavyweight champion of language models, has arrived. And it's a massive upgrade from GPT-3. GPT-4 is multimodal, which means it can take both text and images as inputs. So my fellow codebenders, here are 7 interesting apps built with GPT-4. Study those examples carefully so you can build the next one. Number 1, Virtual Volunteer. It's an AI assistant for those with blindness or low vision. Virtual Volunteer hooks you up with real-time visual assistance and in-app image analysis. And it doesn't just describe what the image is, it's actually a lot smarter than that. If you take a picture of your fridge, for example, it won't just accurately detect every single item of the fridge, it will actually give you recipes and dishes that you can make using the ingredients that you have. It's crazy. I mean, it can provide you step-by-step guides of what you can do with those ingredients to turn you into, I guess, a cooking legend. Alhamdulillah, this is gonna change lives. Imagine how much easier it's gonna be for those people to just navigate life. Codebenders, that's the type of ideas that we should be building more of. Number 2, magician design. With GPT-4, this Figma tool is straight up magical, bro. You can command the forces of AI to empower your designs. It comes with a series of features like magic icon, which turns text to AI-generated vector icon, magic copy, which generates AI-suggested copy, magic image, which turns text to AI-generated images, and they have more features in their roadmap. Number 3, Duolingo Max. Duolingo has taken language learning to new heights with their Max subscription tier. There are 2 main features that are powered by GPT-4. You have the Explain My Answer, which gives you more context on your lesson's responses, whether it's correct or incorrect. And then you have Roleplay, which helps you practice real-life conversations with in-app characters. So it lets you talk with AI characters like you would in real life. Number 4, Finn, a cutting-edge bot built by Intercom. What people don't know is that building a customer service bot is actually very challenging because bots can hallucinate. Literally, they can invent information when they don't know what they're talking about or they don't know the answer to a query. They can forget the context of the conversation. They can become not that personal. Finn is a massive improvement on those challenges because he's a smooth talker. He's tackling customer service like a pro and he's avoiding those weird hallucinations. When he doesn't know the answer, he just says it. And apparently, it only takes a few minutes to set up. You don't need days or weeks to train it. You just need to point Finn to your knowledge base and then you let the AI do the rest. Number 5, Hanmigo or Hanmigo. It's an AI-powered tutor and teacher assistant. It's bringing personalized one-on-one tutoring for everyone. It can act like a writing coach, a coding mentor, and a collaborative learning facilitator. The nice thing about Hanmigo is that it can give suggestions to help students move forward in an interactive way, and it can provide real-time feedback. Number 6, Milo, an AI copilot for parents backed by GPT-4. Milo can take the chaos of family life, different messages that you send, screenshots, even rambling voice memos, and that AI assistant can organize that into text messages, reminders, calendar invites, and daily rundowns tailored to your family needs. Number 7, Magical Tomes. Transform your docs into presentations in a snap. You see in the demo how it's taking a long text and just generating slides on the fly. The UI is kinda basic for now, but it can improve. As the technology evolves, expect more beautiful presentation designs. GPT-4 API is currently in private mode, so you'll have to wait for the waitlist. But there is another way to access it. I made a video on my channel. Codebenders, don't just stay on the sidelines. A revolution is happening and it will change everything. In 10 years, you will tell your kids, I was alive during the AI revolution. And you know what I did? Nothing. I was just busy playing video games and watching all of it unfold while trying to understand what's happening. Please, it's your time to shine. There is no time to be afraid. People who seize this opportunity now will make generational wealth and they're gonna make a real impact on the world. So dive in, build amazing stuff. But if you need a little extra fire, this video will do it for you.